Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to make a shortcut for System Restore on your desktop, and you could also put it in your taskbar or in your start menu, so that way if you want to make a restore point really quickly, you could just do it with a couple clicks. Alright, so in order to do that we're going to make a shortcut the normal way. So we want to right click, new shortcut. Now for the location we're going to use this text here, and I'll put this in the description so you can just copy and paste it into yours. And click on next, and then we could call this System Restore or anything else you want to call it. You don't have to call it System Restore. And click on finish, and there it is. Then also you could change the icon if you right click on it, go to properties and the shortcut tab, click on change icon. Then if you have some others that you know of, you just have to find a directory that has icon files. You know, sometimes the Windows System32 is a good place to look and that type of thing. Or if you have your own icon file, you could do that as well. Okay, so now that we have our shortcut here, we could also drag it into the taskbar and link it there. Right click on it, pin to start if we want it there. So now when we want to use it, just double click it from the desktop, or if you're on your taskbar, just click it once from there. Then it opens up System Restore. And then you could create a System Restore point or restore one of your previous System Restore points. And of course you could also change your settings too if you want to turn it off or on, or change the amount of space allocated for restore points. Alright, so once again just make a new shortcut, paste in this text from the description, and that's all you got to do. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.